This is the entire roadmap of AI money, 5 regions, every real road from zero to paid, and one swamp that eats beginners alive. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which road is yours. Because right now, AI is the biggest gold rush of our lifetime. And every gold rush has 2 kinds of people: the ones who are digging blind and the ones who are holding a map. Most people right now are digging blind. They watch one video about chatbots, one about trading bots, and one about some guy making 10 grand a month. And it feels like noise. It's not noise, it's territory. And territory can be mapped. So let's walk it. But before we walk that map, you'll need to know the one rule that makes all of it make sense. AI is not the thing that makes you money. AI is just the worker. Nobody ever got rich because they owned a hammer. They got rich because that hammer built houses. AI is exactly the same. It's just a tool sitting in the browser tab that makes you exactly $0. A worker doing valuable work over and over without sleeping, that's an economy. Every region on this map is just a different answer to one question. What job do you give that worker? All right, region 1. Down here in the bottom corner is the mine. This is where you take AI's output and you sell it as a service. Writing for businesses, editing videos, building chatbots for a dentist's office, automating somebody's invoices. The mine is where the fastest money on the whole map lives. You can walk in on Monday and get paid by Friday because businesses don't buy AI. They buy problems disappearing. A plumber doesn't care what model you used. He cares that his phone is getting answered at 2 a.m. and the bookings are showing up on his calendar. Here's the math that makes the mine work. That plumber maybe loses $500 every time a late night call goes to voicemail. If your AI receptionist catches 4 of those a month, you just made him an extra 2 grand. Charge him 500, everybody wins. That's not a discount. That's a 4-to-1 return. And a 4-to-1 return gets renewed forever. But the mine has a ceiling, and you need to see it. Every dollar still requires a swing of your pickaxe. More clients, more hours, more you. You haven't escaped trading time for money, but you've just raised the price of your time. So good start, bad ending. Which why the smart miners take their earnings and buy land in the next region. The workshop. So the workshop is where you stop selling hours and start selling copies. Here's what you build. You build something once and it sells while you sleep. A template pack, a tiny app, a prompt library, an automation that does one boring job for one specific kind of business. The internet's oldest magic trick. Build once, sell twice, sell 2,000 times. Now everybody hears build an app and thinks they need to be a programmer. In 2026, you don't. AI writes the code. AI designs the screens. Your job is not the building. Your job is knowing what's worth building. And there's only one way to know. You find a problem people are already paying to solve badly, and you solve it for better or cheaper. Here's the workshop's dirty little secret though. The building is the easy part now. So it means everybody's building. Tens of thousands little AI tools launch every month, and most die in silence. Not because they're bad, because nobody ever found out they existed. A product with no audience is a store in the desert, which is exactly why that next region is the most valuable land on this whole map. Look at the center of the map, the biggest region on it. The farmland, content and audience. This is where you plant attention and harvest trust. Those newsletters. And here's what changed. AI collapses the cost of farming. A faceless channel that used to need a scriptwriter, an illustrator, an editor, and a studio is now one person and their AI workers. You're literally watching that sentence be true right now here in this video. One person made this, but understand what the farmland actually is and what it grows. It's not views. The views are the fertilizers. The crop is the trust. And trust is the only thing on this map that makes every other region easier. The miner with an audience never hunts for clients. The workshop with an audience never launches to silence. That store in the desert, the farmland builds a highway right to its front door. The catch is the farmland runs on seasons. You need to plant for months before you harvest anything. Most people quit at month 2, right before the roots take. The ones who don't quit end up owning the most valuable acres in the whole territory because attention is just one resource. AI makes scarcer, not cheaper. When everyone can make content, being trusted is the only thing that matters, and it's the only moat that's left. Now, look closely at the map. See the tracks running right through every region? That's the railroad. And it's the only road that almost nobody talks about because it isn't glamorous. The railroad is using AI inside a boring, real-world business. Something like a cleaning company, a lawn crew, a rental property, an HVAC shop. Businesses that already make money the old-fashioned way until somebody comes and lays a track right through them. Here's why this region is quietly mints more wealth over the flashy ones. A normal small business drowns in its own operations, answering leads, invoicing, follow-ups. The owner is the business. Now, give every one of those jobs to an AI worker. The business that needed 10 employees runs with 3. The margin that was 15% becomes 35. Same trucks, same customers, double the profit. And when a railroad runs right through a town, the land around it goes up in value. Same concept here. A boring business with AI operations isn't just more profitable. It's worth more when you sell it because it runs without you standing on the tracks. If you already have a business or a job where you see the mess up close, you might be standing on one of the most valuable dirt on this map and not even know it. Top of the map, up in the mountains, is the vault, owning pieces of the company building all of this. 2 honest truths about the vault. First, during a gold rush, the surest money in history went to the people selling picks and shovels. The chips, the data centers, the power companies, all the boring infrastructure underneath the magic. You don't have to pick the winning AI company if you own the road every AI company drives on. The second truth is the vault is slow. This is a decade of money, not Friday money. If you walk up this mountain with rent money, hunting a fast double on some AI tokens that somebody shouted about, you're not investing. You're gambling with extra steps. The vault rewards patience and punishes tourists. Boring indexes, boring decade, beautiful ending. And one last stop, and I'd be lying if I skipped it. The swamp. This is the map that eats most people. The $2,000 course teaching you how to sell $2,000 courses. The AI secret money glitch. The trading bot with a screenshot for proof. Anything promising money without a customer is the swamp. Here's the telltale. Write it down. If the map seller makes money from selling maps instead of walking the territory, you are the product. Every real region we've covered has a real customer getting real value. The swamp only has recruits. You now know more than 90% of people posting about AI money. So, which road? Simple. 3 questions. Do you have skills and need money this month? Start in the mine. Fastest cash on the map. Do you have patience and got something to say? Claim your farmland early. It compounds while everything else completes. Already got a business or money saved? Lay railroad tracks or walk up to the vault. And honestly, the people who win biggest walk them in order. Mine for cash, workshop for products, farmland for trust, railroad for scale. And the vault is for keeps. That's not just 5 side hustles. That's all one journey. I'm walking this map myself every week right here. So if you want the full territory guide, comment the word map and it's yours. And if you want to walk it with people instead of alone, the boardroom link is below. So subscribe and stay hungry. And I'll see you on the trail.